Teacher Sinhala වචන ලියන්න ඕනද?
Yes, Pute, write the Sinhala meaning.
Teacher Sakuna finish.
Very good.
ඉක්මනට ලියන්න. Teacher Sasmika finish.
Asmika, finish. Very good.
Teacher Matum finish.
Mithun, finish. Very good.
මොකද එයාගේ ළමයා ඇවිල්ලා අන්තිමට එයාගේ ළමයා ඇවිල්ලා ටීචර් කනේ තියෙන උදේ කියන එයා දාගෙන good මේ අන්තිමට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ goodbye teacher
Okay, Pute.
goodbye yeah goodbye බම්බා මං කිව්වා goodbye බබා කියලා goodbye කියලා මේ කිය
Dictation ටික දීලා.
teacher Penali finish
Okay.
teacher Losandu finish
Very good. Mesandi, finish writing.
no teacher
Okay, Pute, right.
teacher Maya finish
Very good.
teacher Hiranya finish
Okay, Hiranya.
टीचर है ना फिनिश
Very good.
Good. Teacher, listen the finish.
Right, let's mark then.
Teacher, Sanuja finish.
Right, let's mark our food.
Teacher, Sanuja finish.
Okay. OURFOOD, our food.
Teacher, Sanuja finish.
Right, mark dictation now. Rice and curry. Chickpea. Green gram.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Kada? Right, let's check marks. Right. Take the writing book and write the date. Pute, take the writing book. Take the writing book and write the date. Today is Wednesday. Picture two lines. Picture two lines.
Okay.
Right. Pencil down, Pute, pencil down. Look at the board first. Pencil down. Pencil down, pencil down. Look at the board, right? ඔයාට තනියම කරන්න ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. So I will give you time. මම ඔයාට වෙලාව දෙන්නම් තනියම කරන්න. Right. So number 1, this is a happy face. I like. What is the meaning I like? Mama කැමති. Yes, mama කැමති I like. This one not happy. Not happy. I don't like. Mama කැමති නැහැ. Very good. I don't like. Mama කැමති නැහැ. So number 1 is I like. Happy face. What is this?
Rice and curry.
Rice and curry. Very good. So practice reading. Practice reading. Pute. I like rice and curry.
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 Very good. Number 2, this is I don't like face. And what is this?
Veggie pittu.
Veggie pittu.
Veggie
Very
pittu.
good. This is veggie pittu. Practice reading. I don't like veggie pittu.
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 Right.
I
Number
don't
3. Number 3. Listen. හොඳට අහගන්න. I write the Sinhala meaning here. කඩල. මෙතන Sinhala meaning මම ලිව්වා කඩල කියලා. ඔයා Sinhala meaning ලියන්න එපා. Don't write. When you color all the pictures, no? Pictures color කරද්දී ඔයා කඩල plate එක yellow වලින් color කරන්න. And green gram. මුං යට green වලින් color කරන්න. Don't write the Sinhala meaning. මතක තියාගන්න. Don't write the Sinhala meaning. Sinhala meaning ලියන්න එපා. This one color in yellow and this one color in green. Okay? Practice reading. I like chickpea.
I like chickpea.
I like chickpea.
I like chickpea.
Yes.
Chickpea
Number
නේ.
4. I don't like green gram.
මමද කිව්වේ chickpea කියලා.
Reading, Pute, reading. Number 4. I don't like green gram.
I don't like green gram.
Green gram. Okay, so you can start writing. Don't write the Sinhala meaning. Don't write the Sinhala meaning. Color this one yellow and color this one green. Right? Green gram, green color. Chickpea, yellow color. Okay, start.
I PI double TU double TU gusto ilang එක I like තුනක් කරලා ලියන්නකෝ තරු I like අනන
2 lines, Pute. Big plus 2 lines.
like කඩල වලට මොනවද කියන්නේ
chickpea.
ලියන්න ටීචර් ලියලානේ ඔයා ලියන්න
Teacher, let me finish.
Very good, Pute.
Teacher, Sanuda finish.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay. Kalian. Teacher,
Yes.
Sensurada පිටක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Pute.
සෙනසුරාදාට රිපීට් එක දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Senasurada.
රිපීට් එක දානවද?
Record ekada.
ඔව්.
Yes, yes. Okay.
ටීචර් සස්මිකට මේ අයියට හතරට පන්තියක් ඉඳ නවතින්න වෙනවා ඒකයි.
Hari. Recording එක බලන්න hari.
හරි.
Teacher,
Sasindu finish. Very good. Color the pictures. Chickpea, yellow color, green gram, green color.
yellow color, green red. teacher, අපිව කට් වුණා කරන්න බැරි වුණා.
තාම බෝඩ් එකේ තියනවා පුතේ මං ඉරේස් කළේ නැහැ.
Teacher,
Yes.
කඩල වලට ඉන්ඩෝනේසියෙන් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද?
What is your name?
අදිශ.
අදිශ ගිය සතියේ පාඩමට හිටියේ නැද්ද? බලන්න ඔයාගේ writing book එක. අබිරු තව පොඩ්ඩක් ඉස්සරහට කරන්න පුතේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉස්සරහට කරන්න පුතේ අබිරු. I don't like
Teacher, Sensas finish.
I like chickpea. Very good. Thank you, Abiru. Okay. Now let's go to number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, okay.
හතර. කම්පියුටර් ලියන්න ඉම්මන්ට. හතර. කොණ්ඩේ කැත.
Raji roti.
මම නම් මේ ගෙන්ජියක් තමයි මුලින්ම ඔක් කරේ. සංජයනා මන්නම් ගැට හැදුවේ නෑ.
Number 5, veggie roti.
ගොතන්න. නෑනේ. අර කවුදනේ ෆෑන් එක නිව්වේ? සීය ෆෑන් එක දාන්නකෝ සීයේ. මම දාන්න. bottom please.
Okay, very good. 5, 6, 7.
Milk rice.
Teacher 6 මොකක්ද?
Milk rice, Kiribat.
Teacher 6 එකේ තියෙන milk rice ද?
Yes, milk rice.
Teacher
Yes.
අර පොතේ රොට්ටි කියන එක නෑනේ.
කාගේද පොත?
මගේ
ඔයාගේ නම මොකද්ද පුතේ?
සංජලි. සංජලි නම.
ලබන සතියේ පාඩම් කරන එකට දුන්නේ නැද්ද වෙජි රොටි?
රොටි. දුන්න teacher.
Okay, දුන්නලු සංජලි. Pupils book එකේ බලන්න pupils book page number 48 බලන්න pupils book.
Teacher
Yes.
ඔය 6 වෙනි එකට තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද?
Milk rice. Very good.
Teacher number 8 එනකම් විතරද?
Yes, number 8 finish.
Teacher finish.
Okay.
Teacher Maya finish.
Very good.
Teacher Cesar finish.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher. කිරිබත් එකකට මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ?
Milk rice.
Teacher Litumi finish.
Very good.
Teacher Senuda finish.
Very good.
Teacher Matum finish.
Okay.
පාඩම් වලින් දැන් මම කරන ICE CRE AM. Teacher අබිරු finish කරන්නත් ඕනේද?
Yes, yes, Pute. Everyone, color the pictures. Everyone.
Teacher Vinadi finish.
Very good. Color the pictures.
Teacher
Yes.
teacher ලබන සතියට පාඩම් කරන්න දුන්නද?
Labana, what is your name?
Dishes Litumi.
Litumi ගිය සතියේ අපි තව වචන ටිකක් ඉතුරු කරගත්ත නේද ලබන සතියේ dictation.
Yes teacher.
ඒ ටික මාක් කරගන්න dictation.
Teacher.
Yes.
Thank you teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, let's mark this one. You can check your answers. Number 3, I like chickpea. Number 4, I don't like green gram.
Teacher,
Yes.
veggie roti මොන පාටද?
Veggie roti. මට මතකයි ගිය සතියේ අපි ක්ලාස් එකේ ගියේ කැන්ඩා yellow color කරලා roti එක vegetables carrot orange color leeks green color ඒ විදිහට vegetables වලට පොඩි පොඩි colors දැම්මා.
Teacher, channel finish.
Right. Number 5, I like veggie roti.
Person to finish.
Okay. I like milk rice. MILK finger space RICE. Milk rice. I don't like fruits. පොදුවේ අපි කියනවා fruits. I don't like fruits. I don't like fruits. Number 8, I like ice cream.
Teacher, විනයක මොකද්ද?
Number 6, I like milk rice. MILK RICE.
Hansi? को veggie roti. Veggie roti.
Right. Now let's read from 1 to 8. Put your finger to the book. We are going to read one. No. You write. I will read.
teacher?
Write in book. Then ලියපු මේ 8 sentence ටික වාක්‍යයට අපි reading කරගෙන යමු.
हाँ teacher.
Microphone off, everyone. Microphone off. Right. Thank you. Number 1. I like rice and curry. I don't like veggie pittu. I like chickpea.
I like chickpea.
I don't like green gram.
I don't like green gram.
I like veggie roti.
I like veggie roti.
I like milk rice.
I like milk rice.
I don't like fruits. I like ice cream. Okay, so you can color and complete later after the class. Color කරලා සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න class එකෙන් පස්සේ. Take your pupils book පුතා. Pupils book page number 47.
මේ පොත ඉවරයිනේ මේ පොත මෙතනින් තියෙන මේ පොත ගන්න.
Pupils book page number 47. At the bookshop. At the bookshop. Page number 47. Page number 47.
How much is a pen?
Right. How much කියන lesson එක අපි class එකේදී කළා. extra class එකක් කරපු දවසක බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා හවස අපි extra class කළා. එදා මෙහි class එකේදී කළා how much. What is the meaning how much?
මිල කීයද?
Very good Amaya. මිල කීයද? ගාන කීයද? How much මිල කීයද? Right. Put your finger to the lesson. Put your finger to the lesson page number 47. Right. There is Senuri. Senuri is going to buy a pen and exercise book. Right. Senuri is going to buy a pen and an exercise book. There is shopkeeper. Kade mudalali. Shopkeeper. Bookshop peke mudalali and Senuri, and there are some other friends. තව යාළුවෝ කීප දෙනෙක් bookshop එකේ ඉන්නවා, right?
Teacher මොන පොතද?
Pupils book page number 47. Right, let's read. Senuri and the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper means kade mudalali. Shopkeeper. Let's read. How much is a pen?
How much is a pen?
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Give me a pen, please.
Give me a pen, please.
I want an exercise book too.
ගිල්ල තියාගෙන කියවන්න කොහෙද ඉන්නේ?
It is 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
Here is the money.
එළියට කැමරි එකක් දාලා එළියට කැමරි එකක් දාලා
ඔයාට කැම දාන්න නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ. ඔයා හිමීට ඒක කියව ගන්න.
Come again.
Come again.
Today reading is very bad.
Okay.
Everyone everyone turn off the microphone.
කියන එකක් අහන්නේ නැහැ. ඒව ගන්නෙත් නෑ. මුදුම ඇත්තටම
හැමෝම microphone off කරගන්න. finger තියාගන්න lesson එකට. page number 47. මේ board එකේ වැඩ writing finished?
Oh, teacher. Oh, teacher.
Yes.
Lady.
No?
Teacher කියනවා එන්නේ.
Yes, microphone on කරගෙන තිබුණා ගොඩක් සමහරට දැන් පැහැදිලි වෙයි දැන් microphone ඔක්කොම off කරලා. Right, when you are reading remember to put your finger to the lesson. පාඩමට තියාගන්න finger එක වටපිට බලන්න බෑ. Page number 47.
ටීචර් කියනේවා එන්නේනේ.
හැමෝටම ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද?
No teacher.
Alright, let's check. Let's check. Put your finger to the lesson at the bookshop. How much is a pen? ₹10. Give me a pen, please. I want an exercise book too. It is ₹20. Here, sorry. Here is the money.
ටීචර් 48ද?
47. Here is the money. Thank you. Come again. Read one more time. Put your finger to number 1 line. Senuri. How much is a pen? ₹10. Give me a pen, please. I want an exercise book too. It is ₹20. Here is the money. Thank you. Come again. Number 1, read again. How much is a pen? ₹10. Give me a pen, please. I want an exercise book too. It is ₹20. Here is the money. Thank you. Come again. Read one more time. How much is a pen? ₹10. Give me a pen, please. I want an exercise book too. It is ₹20. Here is the money.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come again.
Come again.
Right. Now all the girls, everyone, you have to turn on the microphone. Hamoma microphone on karaganna. All the girls read Senuri's line. All the boys read shopkeeper's line. Remember, all the girls read Senuri's line. All the boys read shopkeeper's line. Okay, girls start. Girls start. 1, 2, 3.
How much is a pen? How much is 10 pen? How 10 rupees.
Yes.
10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. pen. Give me a pen, please. A pen, please. Give me a pen, please.
Girls, are you reading Senuri's line? को girls ने read करना था Senuri के line ने कर. Give me a pen, please. Read.
Two.
20 rupees. 20 rupees.
A pen, please. I want an writing book too.
Right, very good. Shopkeeper, boys.
Rupees. It is 20 rupees.
Very good. Very good. Senuri, girls. Yes, the money. Yes, the money. Right, shopkeeper, boys.
Thank you.
Come
Come again.
මේ ක්ලාස් එකේ girls ලාඩුයි ද boys ලාගේ line එක නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ හොඳට කරනවා. girls ලාගේ line එක කිව්වේ නැද්ද මන්ද ගොඩක් ළමයි. Start again. නැවත පටන් ගන්න everyone. Girls start 1 2 3.
How much is
Very good. Boys,
10 rupees.
very good. Girls, very good. Boys, very good. Girls,
Money.
very good. Yes, the money. Boys,
Thank you. Come again.
thank you. Come again. Right. Very good. Very good. Okay. Right. Turn off the microphone. We go to next page. Thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Turn off the microphone. We go to page number 48. School canteen, right? This is the school canteen picture. 48. Okay. At the canteen, let's check. What do we have in the school canteen? Put your finger to the chart. Put your finger to the chart. Monday, rice and curry, fruits and ice cream. Tuesday, green gram, fruits and ice cream. Wednesday, chickpea, fruits and ice cream, string hoppers. Thursday, veggie pit 2, milk rice, fruits and ice cream. Friday, veggie roti, fruits and ice cream, hoppers. Right. Again come to Monday. Again come to Monday. Monday, rice and curry,
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruits and ice cream. Piyush,
Green grass.
green gram. Fruits and ice cream. Wednesday,
Chickpea.
chickpea.
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruits and ice cream. String
Hoppers.
hoppers. What are string hoppers?
India.
In the up.
India.
Very good. In the up. String hoppers in the up. Thursday, veggie pittu.
Milk rice. Fruits
Milk
and ice
rice. Fruits and ice cream.
Friday.
Friday,
Veggie roti
veggie roti.
and
Fruits and ice cream. Hoppers. What are hoppers? Up. Very good. Hoppers up. Very good.
Up.
Reading down. පහළ තියෙන ටික reading කරමු. I want a mango.
මෙහෙ I want a
I
mango.
want a mango.
I want an ice cream.
An apple. I want
An ice cream.
an ice cream.
I want an apple. Read one more round. I want a mango.
I want a mango. I
මට
want
කියන්නේ මට අඹ ගෙඩියක්
oh,
අවශ්‍යයි.
our
Want
I
අවශ්‍යයි.
want an ice cream.
ice cream. Mata. Ice cream. I want an apple.
I want an apple. Right, so when you go to the school canteen, or canteen එකට ගියාම මට ඕනේ fruits and ice cream day එකේදී මට ඕනේ ice cream එක. I want an ice cream. මට ඕනේ apple ගෙඩියක්. I want an apple. Right, canteen එකේ ඉන්න කෙනාට කියන්න පුළුවන් I want a mango. මට අඹ ගෙඩියක් ඕනේ. Right, so you are going to eat fruits and ice cream from the canteen. Okay. Right. Come to the fun with English, Putta. Fun with pupils book keep open. Pupils book open කරලා තියාගන්න. Page number 47. Bookshop. Pupils book 47. මේකෙන් help ගන්න පුළුවන්. උදව් ගන්න pupils book එකෙන්. Fun with English book. Page number 55. Fun with English book.
ඒක ඕනේ දැන් ඩාඩි නැකිලානේ තියෙන්නේ.
Pupils book page number 47 එකෙන් help අරගෙන තමයි අපි Fun with English book 55 කරන්න යන්නේ. 55. Read the role.
Teacher.
Yes. Right,
Then
so
cut.
page number 55. Fun with English book 55. Read the role play at the bookshop. On page number 48 of your textbook, pupils book, and answer these questions. Fill in the blanks and complete the dialogue. Right? Right, you can do the full page. සම්පූර්ණ පිටුවම කරන්න පුළුවන්. How much කියන එක අපි ක්ලාස් එකේදී කළා ප්‍රශ්න කීපයක්ම.
Read the pupils book again බලන්නද?
Yes, read the pupils book. Help ගන්න 47. Page number 47 එකේ.
මේකෙන් අරගෙන කරන්න කියන්නේ ආයි මොකක්ද?
දාලා තියන්නේ අහන්න.
මොකක්ද?
මොකද්ද කරන්නේ කියලා කටුනා කියලා. මේ දාලා තියෙන හයි ඔන් කරන්න බෑනේ.
Hiranya, open the pupils book 47. Pupils book එකෙන් බලාගෙන help අරගෙන කරන්න තනියම නෙමෙයි. 47. Yes, pupils book එක තියෙනවා. Okay. 15 rupees paint brush.
Teacher.
Very good, yes, Andy.
Finish teacher.
Okay.
ඉන්න සක්කගේ ඇඟිත් ඉන්නනේ.
Teacher Maya finish.
Okay, Amaya.
Teacher, मैं तुम finish.
Very good.
Teacher, Sachin to finish.
Very good.
Teacher, finish.
Very good.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes, Hiranya.
अंतिम के नाम මොකක්ද?
It is a paintbrush. It is a paintbrush. Paintbrush. It is 15 rupees. It is a paintbrush. It is 15
Teacher.
rupees. Yes.
Teacher. It is the money කියන එක මොකද්ද? මම අපේ Facebook එකෙන් බැලුවා උනට හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ.
What is your name?
සැනුද?
Senuda කොතනද ප්‍රශ්න ඔයාගේ?
It is money. It is the money. නිකන් is the money කියලා තියෙනවා. ඒ උනාට උත්තරේ තාම හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණා.
ඔයාගේ pupils book එකේ මේක right. Okay, ඉන්න මම ඒක කියලා දෙන්න. එතන පොඩි කමාවක් දාලා pupils book එකේ තියෙන්නේ. pupils book එකේ තියෙන්නේ මේ විදියට. Here is the money. Right? Here's the money. මේ here's කියන එක තමයි අපි ලියන්නේ. Here is කියලා.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, lesson to finish.
Very good.
Teacher, send the finish.
Very
Teacher,
good.
send the finish.
Okay.
Teacher, Binadi finish.
Okay, very good.
Teacher, Rehana finish.
Okay.
Teacher, lesson to finish.
Right. Let's go to Fun with English book. Next page. Page number 56.
Hari, teacher.
Fun with English book 56. School canteen, right? This is the school canteen food menu. Put your finger to the table. Put your finger. Monday. Rice and curry.
Rice and curry.
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruit and ice cream.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Green gram.
Green gram.
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruits and ice cream.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruits and ice cream.
String hoppers. Thursday.
Thursday.
Two. Milk rice.
Milk rice.
Fruits and ice cream.
Fruits and ice cream.
Friday. Veggie pittu. Fruit and ice cream. Hoppers. Now we have lot of questions, right? ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් තියෙනවා විවිධ ප්‍රශ්න. Lot of questions. Number 1. Reading. Put your finger to number 1. On what day can you eat milk rice? On what day? What day? මොන දවසේද can you eat? ඔයාට කැමට ගන්න පුළුවන් milk rice. On what day? මොන දවසේද can you eat milk rice? Read the answer. We can eat milk rice on Thursday. We
Teacher?
can eat, yes.
මා සිග්නල් නැතුව කට් වුණා මේ මොකක්ද කරන්නේ?
Page number 56 gun.
හා ටීචර්. ටීචර් කරන්නද?
No reading.
හා ටීචර්.
Right. So we can eat milk rice on Thursday, right? Number 2 question reading. What can we eat every day? What can we eat every day? Every day means හැමදාම. So look at the food table and tell me what can we eat every day? හැමදාම. What can we eat every day?
Fruit and ice cream.
Very good. Fruit and ice cream. Right. Number 2, write with me. මාත් එක්කම ලියන්න. Number 2. Number 2, write with me. මාත් එක්කම ලියන්න. We can eat. Write with me. මාත් එක්කම ලියන්න. We can eat. We can eat. මෙසඳි right පුතේ. මාත් එක්කම ලියන්න. We can eat fruits and ice cream
ටීචර් ඒ ටික මගේට ලියන්නේ.
page number 56 Fun with English book.
හා ටීචර්.
Every day we can eat fruits and ice cream every day. Every day means හැමදාම. We can eat fruits and ice cream every day. Number 3. When can we eat chickpeas? When kavadada? When can we eat chickpeas?
Wednesday.
Very good. Wednesday. Very good. Number 3. We can eat chickpeas. We can eat chickpeas on Wednesday. Capital W සමහර ළමයි බාගෙට ලියනවා no this is wrong. Capital W එකම line එකට එන්න ඕනේ. We can eat chickpeas on Wednesday. Small handwriting ගන්න handwriting පොඩි කරන්න වැරදුනොත් erase කරන්න eraser ළඟ තියාගන්න. We can eat chickpeas on Wednesday. Wednesday capital W. We can eat chickpeas on Wednesday. Right. Question number 4. When can we eat hoppers? When kavadada? When can
Friday.
yes, very good. Friday. Yes. We can eat hoppers on Friday. We can eat hoppers on Friday. Capital F. We can eat hoppers on Friday. We can eat hoppers on Friday.
Teacher. Teacher. අපට පැදෙන
Right. Question number 5. When can we eat green gram?
Thursday. Thursday.
Tuesday.
Yes, Sakuna?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, Pute. Tuesday. Yes. Thursday, no. Tuesday. We can eat green gram We can eat green gram on Tuesday. Capital T. We can eat green gram on Tuesday.
ඔය මයික් ඔන් කරගන්නේ. Teacher.
Right? Question number 6. On what 2 days? On what 2 days can we eat veggie pittu?
Thursday and Friday. Okay.
Thursday and Friday.
Very good. Thursday and Friday. Very good. We can eat veggie pittu we can eat veggie pittu on
Teacher පොඩ්ඩ හරි.
ඉන්න මම ටක් ගාලා ලියලා යන්න. Thursday and එක දීලා තියෙනවා. Don't write and. ඔයා ලියන්න ඕනේ and එක. Thursday and Friday. We can eat veggie pittu on Thursday and Friday. Two days. Write slowly. කලබල නැතුව ලියන්න වරද්ද ගන්න එපා. Write slowly. Use the eraser. We can eat veggie pittu on Thursday and Friday.
Teacher,
Yes.
මාව කට් වුණා. දැන් මොනවද කරේ?
ඔය අන්තිමටම කළේ කොතනද? Right. Okay. Page number 56. You have the answers on the board. 56. From number 2.
Dum, 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 dum.
විනාඩියක් ඉන්න මං ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් කරලා කනෙක්ට් කරන්නම් ඔහොම ඉන්න නැත්තම් වෙලා මදි වෙනවා
Mother.
right now we go to question number 7 when කවදාද when can we eat rice and curry Monday very good
Monday.
yes we can eat number 7 we can eat rice and curry on Monday we can eat rice and curry on Monday number 8 can we eat අපිට කන්න පුළුවන්ද can we eat string hoppers on Wednesday
Yes.
yes we can eat string hoppers on Wednesday yes Yes, එක දීලා තියෙනවා ඔයාට. We can eat string hoppers on Wednesday. Yes, we can eat string hoppers on Wednesday.
I don't like green grape. I don't like. Teacher finish.
Okay, Pute, let's wait for others. Litumi, are you finished writing? Litumi?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Binadi?
Teacher, Binadi finish.
Okay, very good.
Finish. Teacher, lesson to finish.
Lasando finish, very good.
Teacher, Sanuda finish.
Senuda finish, very good. Sasindu finish, very good.
Teacher, finish.
Yes, Sandy finish, very good. Sanjali finish writing. Sanjali? Finish. Amaya?
Teacher, Bidu finish.
Abiru finish, very good.
Finish, teacher.
Amaya finish, right. So let's write homework. Fun with English book. Page number 47. Circle. Put a circle here. This is homework. 47. Fun with English book 47. Circle here. This is homework. Sorry, 47. 57. Next page put a 57. Fun with English book 57 homework. 57 homework. Fun with English book.
Mama ini.
57 homework. Fun with English book. Double rule book copywriting තනියම කරන්න දැන් ක්ලාස් එකේ ළමයි ලියලා පුරුදු වුණා. Double rule book pupils book එකෙන් copywriting කරන්න. Page number 47. Double rule book copywriting page number 47. This page at the bookshop. This is homework copywriting, right? මේ ටික තමයි ඔයා copywriting කරන්න ඕනේ double rule book එකේ. Page number 47. At the bookshop. Grade 3 copywriting double rule book page number 47 from the pupils book. දැන් පහුගිය දවස් දෙකේම ක්ලාස් ආපු ළමයි තනියම double rule book වල ලියලා පෙන්නලා තියෙන ඒගොල්ලන්ට තනියම ලියන්න පුළුවන් no problem. So page number 47 homework double rule. Right. So grade 3 ළමයින්ගේ පොත් මාරු කරන්න ටියුට් දෙන්න ඔක්කොම කරන්න. Next week Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday දවස් 3න් එකක ක්ලාස් එකට එන්න පුළුවන් උදේ වරුවේ අම්මලාට කියන්න Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday දවස් 3න් එකක උදේ වරුවේ ක්ලාස් එකට එන්න කියලා පොත් මාරු කරගන්න right. Okay. ප්‍රශ්න Yes පුතේ.
කොයි දවස් දෙකේද?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday 3 days. දවස් 3ක් තියෙනවා. ඒ තුනෙන් එකක.
හරි, thank you.
Right. Any other questions? Grade 3 ළමයින්ට තව ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද?
teacher.
No. Okay. So grade 3 goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Teacher, goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Teacher,
Homework fun with English book. Page number 57.
Baikin, teacher baikin.
57 fun with English book.
Oh, angkat phone gitu kali.
right. grade 4 ළමයි මම ක්ලාස් එක ඔක්කොම ලීව් කරනවා. තව විනාඩියක් ඉඳලා ඇඩ් වෙන්න. නැත්නම් රෙකෝඩින් එක බෙදා ගන්න බැරි වෙනවා right. තාම දැන් grade 3 ක්ලාස් එකේ වැඩ යන්නේ. ඒ නිසා මම ඔක්කොම ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් කරනවා. තව විනාඩියක් ඉඳලා log in වෙන්න. grade 4 ළමයි.